Merry Christmas, guys. Can you say Merry Christmas? Merry Christmas. Abby, can you say Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
Yay! Merry Christmas. Say hi, Grandma. Hi. Are you opening gifts? Benjamin's going to learn to colour. Who's on their bench? Elmo.
Hey, Ben. What's this? Oh! Ben, look. Look.
You going to open another one?
Look. Ben. Ben. Look. Oh, Ben. What's that one? What's it going to be?